I recently discovered a bunch of affordable everyday home items from Lowe's that I think you guys would be interested in. I've divided my finds into two sections, home and tools, and there's even a bonus section at the end, so stay tuned for that. I'm starting with home, so let's jump right in. I hate to admit that this has been our back porch light since we moved in. I finally decided to replace it with this sleek LED model from Lowe's. It was so quick and easy to install, and it fits with our design, and the best part is I found it for under $50. By the way, everything that I show you will have YouTube shopping links down below. I think it's really hard to find good plant pots at a decent price, but I found this contemporary white ceramic planter that has cool modern lines, has a nice heavy weight to it like you want with a larger pot. The white color is perfect, and the best part is it's only $34. When I saw that Lowe's had this 8-foot traditional medallion runner rug for under $50, I snatched it right up. It's stain resistant, it's super durable, and it's exactly the design I was looking for, all of which makes perfect for our entryway. And speaking of rugs, I was so happy to find this large hand-woven natural jute rug for our living room. Jute rugs are durable and strong, so they're ideal for high traffic areas like our living room. They're also hyperallergenic, low maintenance, have a great organic aesthetic, and Lowe's is selling this one in this size for under $200. This area of our garage used to be a mess, but now our yard tools are neatly off the floor with this customizable rail system. Now the tools are easier to access, space saving, and this area finally looks tidy and clean. Garage organization made easy and inexpensive. I've been wanting to upgrade to a smart door lock for a while, but I haven't yet found one that I was really happy with the look of until now. I found the August deadbolt smart lock at Lowe's, and it's exactly what I've been looking for. It easily attaches to the existing deadbolt on the inside of the door. It's matte black, so it matches our door, and the minimal hardware is only on the inside, so the front of the door can keep its look. Find it linked down below. Okay, one of my favorite affordable home upgrades is simply switching out old outlets to these Eaton decorator outlets from Lowe's. New outlets are a simple install. They increase safety, functionality, and aesthetics, and even property value. I paired them with a hidden screw wall plate, and this whole improvement is under $7. For a while, I've been wanting to update the ceiling fan in our living room for a more modern model without a light. Our lighting in this space mostly comes from lamps, and occasionally we use our flush mount ceiling lights. So I was pleased to find this more modern Hunter fan that blends in well with our ceiling, has a simple design, it's quiet, powerful, and no light at a very good price. Okay, here's a tip on some home organization, which is easy with these natural stackable bin baskets. I'm finding all sorts of places to use them, including organizing items on my desk and under a bathroom sink. They come in different sizes, the design matches our style, and I love that they are a natural material and not plastic. And speaking of natural material, we finally ditched our plastic clothes hangers for these wooden ones. They're super affordable at about $1 a hanger. The wood won't bend under the weight of our clothes, and they upgrade the aesthetics of the closet instantly. This space above our washer and dryer has always been wasted space, so I added simple 2x4 shelves and paired them with these lockable storage totes from Lowe's. I've got the totes organized by categories like pool stuff, car wash supplies, and they're super durable with locking lids. It's a very affordable solution for organizing the garage. Okay, now let's check out some super affordable tools that I personally find very useful. For years and through many projects, I have relied on this 10-inch miter saw, which was actually my very first tool. It's a dependable workhorse that is lightweight, it cuts square, it's simple to use, and it's high quality. I've used it to build everything from furniture to construction projects, and I still can't believe that you can get it for just $169. Okay, if you aren't ready for a powered miter saw, this miter box makes the same cuts without the need for a power tool. It makes accurate 45-degree and 90-degree cuts, which are useful for cutting trim, baseboards, or even parts for furniture. It's safe, quiet, and super cost-effective, coming in at under $14. Okay, next is this voltage tester, which is a non-contact device for safely detecting electrical voltage in wires, outlets, and more. In other words, it tells you if your wires are live so you don't get shocked. It's small, it's easy to use in various locations, and I think it's a must-have for every homeowner, especially because it's under $20. Another tool I think every homeowner needs for a wide range of tasks is a power drill. And this compact drill by Flex Tools is a great option. It has big power and a compact size. It comes with a battery and a fast charger. And keeping in line with the theme, it's super cost effective at Lowe's for only $149. Little Giant ladders are some of the best. So finding this affordable Little Giant step stool for around the house is a great find. It's fast and easy to fold up or deploy. The top step is extra large, has thought out accessory slots on the top, including a magnetic area and a big weight limit. This one gets used in our house all the time, and it's well worth the inexpensive price tag. If you watch my channel much, you know that I use clamps all of the time, and I've had these smaller trigger clamps for a few years now. If my project allows for them, these are the ones that I reach for. They're easy to get into tight spaces, yet still super strong. They can also be converted to be a spreader clamp, and this pack at Lowe's has an assortment of sizes, all for under $40. This little tool is a stud buddy, which is the world's simplest stud finder. It uses magnets to find studs behind drywall by locating nails and screws in the studs. No batteries needed, no moving parts, just simple and accurate. And at $11, this one is one of the handiest little things in my toolbox. Okay, here are my bonus items. And these are affordable Lowe's items that you've seen me use in previous projects that I absolutely love. I'll link the projects down below. First is our Hisense refrigerator. We purchased it with our own money from Lowe's during our small kitchen renovation. After using it for over a year, I highly recommend it. The design perfectly matches our style. It features clean lines on the doors without any of those protruding handles. I don't personally like water dispensers on the front of refrigerators, and this model has a hidden dispenser inside. But the best part, we got it for under $1,200. Next is our sliding glass door, for which I have a complete installation tutorial video. It's a significant upgrade from our previous door and offers excellent value for the money. It's quiet, energy efficient, and easy to install. We like it so much that we're actually gonna install another one in our primary bedroom in a future remodel. Plus, it's a great deal at just $528. I hope there's been some things in this list that you find valuable for your home, and if there's anything you think I missed, please leave a comment down below so we can share with everyone. Again, all of the affordable items that I covered will have YouTube shopping links down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next project.